Y'all, I got a touchscreen toaster. Like, stop playing with me. Who you know with a touchscreen toaster? Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Yes, and as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this will be a house essential haul. So if you guys want to see everything that I got, then just keep on watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on my Instagram if you don't already. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I just want to give you guys like a little backstory of everything. So I got my car in December 2019. My lease for my car was for 2 years. So now finally your girl about to be done paying a car note next month, March 2022. And I'm gonna be done paying my car note. Like, my car is gonna be mine. I now won't have a car note anymore. Like, I'm gonna live my life debt free for a little while. I'm not just about to take my car and trade it in for another one, get another car note. No, that's dumb. I'm gonna live debt free for a little while and, you know, try to save up some money. So my plan was to, once I got done paying off my car, I was going to start planning to move out. Because yes, I still do stay with my mom. I just turned 25 last month, and I told myself, like, once I get done paying my car off, it's time to move. Not because other people tell me to move, not because my mom is telling me to move, not because anything. It's just because I feel like I'm ready to move out, be on my own, so I can do the things I want to do in my own house, have the people I want over at my own house, decorate my house the way I want to decorate my house, you know, all those type of things. Yeah, so I feel like it's very beneficial to me and just in general to just buy all your stuff now while you're still staying with your parents, so that when you do finally move, you already have everything you need when you get there. And then when you get there, all you gotta do is worry about getting the big stuff, you know? So anyways, we're just gonna jump straight into the stuff that I got. This is heavy. And the plates were $19.99, so that was perfect. So this is how the plates look. They're square. Also, the bowls are square too. This is the bowl. And it also comes with some smaller plates. This is how they look. So cute. With some cups from Walmart. And I thought these cups, people would probably think like, girl, they're just cups. Like, what is really serious about cups? But I thought these cups were so freaking cute. So I got these. I think these was like $12 or $14 at Walmart. And I just really thought that they were so cute. And they come in a set of 8. And this is how the cup looks out the box. They is so freaking cute to me. Oh my god, they so cute. Just look at it. Look at the bottom. Look at the design. They just look so fancy and bougie. I love it. I'm also going to be getting some wine glasses, but not like the basic wine glasses. I'm not a basic girl, okay? I like creative stuff. I like stuff that's different, stuff that everybody do not have. So I do plan on getting some wine glasses. I have them in my Amazon cart right now as we speak, and I'll insert a picture of what the glasses look like so you guys can see. I'll be getting those cups soon. The next thing I got is this cookware set, 9-piece cookware set from Walmart. Girl, this set was $24. Like, stop it. So first I had went to Walmart. I seen a set that was $24 too. They was similar price, but they didn't have these. They only had the other ones. And I said, I think I'm just gonna do all like gray or stainless steel, color everything, so because stainless steel and gray match anything. I don't know where I'm moving to yet. I don't know what color my kitchen gonna be, so I'm like, gray or stainless steel will match anything. So I'm just like, I'm gonna get all gray or stainless steel appliances. So the ones that I got at first just said stainless steel appliances. They did not say non-stick or nothing. But I didn't realize that there was a non-stick until I got home. And I know how non-stick pans and pots work. They burn very easily. So I'm like, oh no, I'm not about to get these. So I took it back to do exchange. And I had seen these and they was only $24. So that was an even exchange right there. That was the same exact price. And these are non-stick and they're gray, but they're called champagne color, but they look gray. And I like these better than ones I had in the first place anyways, because they just look better. So, oh, this is the name of the company or the brand. This is how they look. So, my stuff is going to be all gray as I just stated before. So, oh, I will insert a picture of the gray cookware that I'll be getting off Amazon for my kitchen as well. But yeah, I really did not want nothing that came with the cookware inside of the cookware set because I didn't want that basic color. I'm not gonna put everything out because it's already hard enough to put the stuff back in the box. So I mean, this is just the top basic, and then this is how the pot looks. So freaking cute. I know they're just pots and pans, but this is cute. The color is cute. What else did I get? Oh, I just got this in the mail yesterday. Y'all, I got a touchscreen toaster. Like, stop playing with me. Who you know with a touchscreen toaster? Who you know with a touchscreen toaster? Like, honestly. So, I had seen this on Amazon. I was looking for a cute toaster. And I know y'all probably thinking, like, girl, shit is regular. What is so cute about, like, kitchen stuff or kitchen appliances? But I don't know, I just like different stuff that people normally don't have, and some stuff be ugly, some stuff be cute, and I just thought this was so freaking cute. Like the whole design. I have to plug it up in order for it to cut on and show y'all the touchscreen part, but you think I should cut it on? I'm gonna cut it on. I'll cut it on for y'all in the trusty. But this is how it looks. This is the touchscreen part. And another thing I like about this toaster is the tray for you to clean it out is literally like right here. It's easy access. You can pull it out right there and just clean it off. And you don't have to like stress to try to find where the tray is at. You can just put it right back in there like that. So I'm about to plug it up so y'all can see the touchscreen part. In order for the touchscreen part to come on, you have to plug it up and press this down. And then right here, and then right here, you just press the button. The button's not popping up right now because I think it's doing like the little, it's like a manual thing you gotta do before you actually use the toaster. So I think that's what it's doing, but y'all can see, like you press the buttons on here, but the buttons didn't pop up. Or whatever. Okay, so since I start off with the kitchen stuff, I'm just gonna keep showing y'all more kitchen stuff. I really haven't been buying nothing for real for the house except for kitchen stuff. I don't want to buy nothing for my bathroom yet because I don't know what color my bathroom is gonna be. And yeah, like everything for my room I basically have already. I just gotta get me a dresser, buy me a new mirror, whatever the case may be. But the main thing that I wanted to have when I do move to my place is to have my brand new headboard, mattress, and box spring. As long as I got that, I don't have to worry about nothing. You know, I won't have to lay on the floor for a couple of days for my furniture come or nothing because I already have my furniture. All I gotta worry about is getting a couch and stuff like that. So I got this potato pillar from Farberware off Amazon, and it's gray / stainless steel. This is how it looks out the package. And then this is a gray / stainless steel can opener that I got from Amazon as well, and it's some Farberware as well. I seen these salt and pepper shaker things at Walmart, and I just thought they were so cute. Like they something different that I never seen nobody have before. So I'm like, I'm about to get those, and plus girl, because they was only $3, so I'm like, shoot, why not? And they just look like little snowmans or something, like little circles. So I thought that was so cute, so I got them for $3 at Walmart. I got these, I'm tripping, these this flatware set from Target for $10. Just some basics spoons and forks. I got this mesh cutlery tray from At Home. I am getting a knife set. I can't find one that I think is really cute, but I did find one that I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get off Amazon, and I'll insert a picture of it up there along with the tray that come with the silverware plus the steak knives. I will insert both of those pictures up here for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Comment down below, please let me know if y'all think I should get the tray and the silverware, the steak knives off Amazon along with this, or should I just keep what I have and don't get that off Amazon. Yeah, another thing that I got from Target was these glass jars, and they're anchor jars. This is how it looks. I got 2 of them for $6 each, so both of them was $12. And I thought they was just so cute to sit on the countertop. I don't know what I'm gonna put in them yet, but you know, we're gonna figure it out. So yeah, I got 2 of these for $6 each. I just thought they were so cute, and it matched the stage, you know, the stainless steel, great colors. Another thing that I picked up for my house was at the Amazon liquidation store. I seen these cute little nude vases, and I just thought they were so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put them at in my house, if I'm gonna put them in the bathroom, if I'm gonna have like in the living room as decoration. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm about to show y'all. They are so cute. I'm just gonna pull out one because I don't feel like wrapping it back up. I have 2 of these. They're the same exact color. Body vases. They so freaking cute, and I just thought they were so cute, so I picked them up from the Amazon store. And I don't know where I'm gonna put them at in the house, but I just thought they were so cute, so I had to go. And then from Target, at the $1 station thing that's like right there as soon as you walk in, it'd be stuff for like $1 or $3 and stuff. I seen these cute old jars, so I'm like, oh my god, they're so cute, I gotta get them. And then I was like, these would match perfectly with the vase that I got from Amazon. So I got them, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I don't know if these gonna be, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know. These would be cute in the bathroom because they like, you put a top off and they like storage things. You could put like cotton balls and Q-tips and stuff like that in there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I know that it do match perfectly with the vases. And then if all fails, if I don't like the way this look with the vase, I could spray paint the top of this white and just have it sitting there like cute aesthetics, you know? The dots on the jar match perfectly with the body vase, and it's just so cute. I don't know, it's a vibe, but I don't know what to do with it. We gonna see when I get there how I'm gonna decorate it, because I don't know right now. And I did buy 3 of these. They were all $3 each. Okay, that is all for like my kitchen for right now. Oh, one thing that I forgot to show you guys after I showed y'all my kitchen stuff. I told y'all I haven't been buying anything for my bathroom yet because I don't know what color my bathroom gonna be. But I saw these shower hooks at Tj Maxx, and I thought they was so, no, I think it was At Home. No, it was homeGoods. I'm tripping, I'm saying all the wrong names. I found these at homeGoods for $5.99. And they are so cute. I love these shower hooks. I'm like, I gotta get these. I don't know what color my bathroom's gonna be, but I know these are gonna be fire in there, and I know these are gonna be cute. So I got these bath hooks from out of there, and they are so freaking cute. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the little things that I got from my living room. I got 2 things from Wayfair. I'm about to show you the 2 things from Wayfair right now. And then the other thing I got from Tj Maxx. So this is a throw cover that I got off Wayfair, and I thought it was just so cute on my neck. And what I really love about this throw cover is it's like shaggy and furry on the outside, and then the inside is like sheep, and it's just like, oh my god, it's a vibe. And I know, and it's gonna keep me warm because it got the sheep part in the inside. So this is how this looks. I'm not gonna take it out the bag because it's doing too much. I bought this tray thing off Wayfair as well to sit like on my living room table. And what I'm planning on doing for my living room is getting a silver stainless steel like glass looking table in my living room, and also get my couch gray. And I want gray because gray is a neutral color, and if I ever want to switch up the colors in my house, in my living room, gray will match anything. Like if I don't want this color no more and I want to go yellow, go orange, go do anything, gray will actually match that, instead of me getting like a blue couch, a pink couch, a green couch, and then I can't even change it my aesthetics for real, you know. So that's why I'm getting gray, because gray is neutral. This is how the tray looks, and it matches perfectly with the throw cover. Yes, y'all get the vibes, y'all know what's going on. Like, match perfectly with the throw cover. It's so freaking cute. I can use this to put like decorations on. I can leave my remotes on here, candles on here, anything, you know. It's gonna be cute. It's a vibe. And I like how this is like stainless steel, because like I told y'all, I'm doing stainless steel gray colors in my house. So I will insert a picture of the table off the wafer, and I'm talking about put in my living room with the gray couch. I'm gonna insert that in here for y'all. Okay, the last but not least thing that I got is these pillows from Tj Maxx. And y'all know Tj Maxx be costing for their pillows. I thought these pillows was about to be like $20 each, but when I went to get them, they was like, no, they $9. And I'm like, these pillows are so freaking cute, and so they feel so good and comfortable. Like, you can really sleep with these. She told me they was $9 a piece, so I got both of these pillows for $20. So I just thought these were so cute, and it matched my aesthetics. It matched my tray. It matched the fur cover. This is just a little lighter than this throw cover, and I hate it, but I mean, it's gonna have to do, and it'll blend in together. I know it will, so it really don't even matter. It's just off just by a little bit. Yes, like it's gonna be a whole vibe in my house. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait till I get there so that I can start decorating. Yeah, that's everything that I have for right now. I still got more stuff that I'm gonna buy for my kitchen, and like I said, I'll be doing a part 2 video showing you guys my house essentials that I've been buying. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I like interacting with y'all, so comment down below, comment anything. Let me know if you like my living room idea with the colors and everything, my kitchen aesthetics, the stuff that I got already for my house. Anything, comment down below. Let me know what you think, how you feeling about it. Yeah, and if you want to know where I got anything from and how much it cost, then just comment down below and I will send you guys the link to it. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for y'all. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. If you're not already, follow me on my Instagram if y'all don't follow me on there. And I will see y'all in the next video.